Okay, so now talking about the equilibrium of forces, we can say that the body is said to be in equilibrium if the vector sum of all the forces which are acting on the body are equal to zero. So we say that when there is no net force acting on the body, there will be no acceleration. And if three forces are acting on a body and you are saying that the body is in equilibrium, so the forces when they are represented as three vectors, unki a triangle should be formed. When you sum up the vector 1 and vector 2, it would give you the resultant vector 3. And this would be known as the triangle of forces. Now, if you need to check if the body is in equilibrium, so you'll see that the resultant here of the horizontal and vertical components that should always be equal to zero. So, in other words, we can also say that when the vertical and horizontal forces respectively are balanced or cancelled out, then we say that your body है हमारी that is in equilibrium. So as you can see in the diagram that when you rearrange all of these three forces acting on a body in equilibrium, it forms a triangle which की sides जो होती हैं they denote the forces. तो फिर हम सिर्फ तब कर सकते हैं कि the body is in equilibrium if the vector sum of all the torques acting on this are zero. So when there is no net torque, there will be no net angular acceleration and hence the body would not be moving.